How's it going, Power Stoke Nation? My name is Austin, and you are watching the Power Stoke YouTube channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful day or evening, whatever time you're watching this video. And I got a very cool video for you today. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, stick around, like the videos, comment. I'm very engaging with you guys, and I really hope you stick around for this video. It's going to be a good one, and stick around with the length of the channel because we are growing massively. We're almost at 2,500 subscribers, and that is crazy. So thank you guys so much for the constant support. All right, so we have a very exciting video today. The people over at NAO Headlights sent me a set of LED headlights for the truck. I've been really wanting them, especially since updating the headlights on the Ford from the old orange and cloudy nasty headlights to the one-piece 2005 headlight. I have LED turn signals on the truck now, and I know I just replaced the reverse bulbs on the truck with some little license plate not LED bulbs, and I know a lot of you guys wanted to see LEDs in there, and when those burn out I will go to LED. I just wanted to get those in because I was super itching to just see how that looked. So today we're going to unbox this, put these on the truck, and compare them to the halogen bulbs on the Ford. I have no doubt these are just going to crush the halogens. I am super excited. Let's get started. So first thing I'm noticing already, right out of the box, they're in a nice cut styrofoam package here. They're form cut to the LEDs side. We got the big fan here on the bottom, and it looks like this will just connect right into my stock factory harness. These look like they're going to be pretty easy to install, plus I like the red. I actually think that's pretty sweet. So I got a set here. Ooh, they got little rubber gaskets on them and everything. All right, so now that I've seen them, got them all out, I think it is time to go put these on the Ford. And because I know you guys very well, I'll give you a quick cold start. It might be beautiful outside. I mean, it is. It is gorgeous out here. Blue skies, sun shining over there. But it's a little cold, so the truck was definitely a little cold-blooded this morning, and it just didn't want to start over. So, yeah, I know the smoke looked really bad for just a quick start, but I was cranking it for a little while before then, so there was a lot of fuel in the cylinder. I do have a dead bank of glow plugs, so I do need to fix that at some point, but just not in the books right now. I can plug in my truck if I need to, but it started every morning just fine, even with half of the glow plugs that it needed. So with that, let's get on with the video. All right, so we need to pop the hood. Oh, don't want to leave my keys in there just in case, who knows. Crazier things have happened. All right, let's get on with this headlight install. So you guys know I upgraded to the 2005 headlights. It's still the exact same way to install them. Let me grab them real quick. Super simple. Doing this mod did not hinder in any way, shape, or form installing new headlight bulbs. So if you guys are on the fence about it and worried about it, don't be. It's almost like it was meant to be. There's mounting holes that work perfectly for these, and it really is. It's just a little bit of cutting on your stock header panel, and if you don't like it, it's like 50 bucks and you can just buy a new header panel and go right back to your old style headlights if you don't like the 2005s. All right, you guys, super simple. Let me just show you how this goes in. So your bulb simply unplugs from your harness there. We did all that when we put this headlight in, and then if you look on the back here, simple plug and play for these LED headlights. It makes it even easier, gives you a little pigtail so you even get a lot more room and wiggle room trying to put these in. And if you look at their mounting system, they're both that same gasketed wide clip-on piece there. It's going to make it even easier to put these on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the halogen in on this side. I'm going to throw the LED in on this side. We're going to do a quick comparison. Compare it here, and I will get some nighttime shots of that too to throw in the video afterwards, so we can get a true test just to see how bright these LEDs are. Again, I'm super excited. I cannot wait to get these on the truck. And we'll go do some nighttime driving and see how well these do. I'll go out on some country roads where there's no street lights, and we'll see how well these light up. All right, so it took a little finagling on my part because when I installed these, I didn't realize I left the harness pinched in right here, so I had no slack to try to get this plugged in. Now you can see, so there's the harness for getting the H13 bulbs right there, plugs into the OEM housing, and then the LED headlights plugged in there, runs into the housing, and you can kind of see it. So it's got an LED pointing down and an LED pointing up into the reflectors. Let's see the difference here. Set my hood down here real quick. Got my tools in there, so I'm just gonna set it. First thing I notice, much wider range Also, these came on before these did. I don't know if you guys saw that. There was a little bit of latency between the LED turning on and this, and that's because these take less power. I always thought these looked white, but now comparing them to an LED, look at that. Wow, that is quite the difference there. Look at the difference in the tint here. We got white right here. We got our yellow. This is the halogen, the LED. Look how much brighter it is on camera. And it's not even really the angle. This is just so much brighter. All right, so now we're gonna throw in the LED bulb on this side. I can't stand the difference now. That's crazy how white this left side is. I'm just sitting here staring at it. It looks so much better. I had to do absolutely no cutting to get these to fit into my H13 housing because that's what these one-piece headlights are. They're H13. And so I had to make no modification, which is super nice. Just quick and easy install, super bright, and I can't wait to drive around with them for a little while, get used to it. I've always been a huge fan of LED headlights. Anytime I see them on the road, I get a little jealous. So now I'll be one of those guys that'll get flashed at all the time because everybody thinks his brights are on. As an added bonus, you can put your old bulbs in here and just throw them in the trash because you don't need that garbage anymore. But you guys, the awesomeness doesn't just stop right here after the install. These headlights are crystal white, super easy install, super bright. I mean, look at the field of view they give you. So much wider than before. I'll do a comparison. But I mean, we're off the side of the house here, all the way over to that side there. That's over half the garage and I'm this close. I'm probably 6 foot away. So, I mean, already much better than it was before. All right, you guys, the awesomeness and excitement does not end here with just the headlights being installed on the truck. You guys can get a pair of these for super cheap. I'll have the link down below in the description. The awesome people over at NAO gave me an awesome discount code that I'll have here on the screen and down below in the description, so you can just copy and paste it. Thank you guys so much for that discount and give me the opportunity to give my subscribers something awesome. Super nice, clear white, super easy install, no modifications, and super bright. We're gonna get some nighttime driving shots now, but I wanted to give you guys that opportunity and let you know that we have a discount code and the headlights are down in the description below, because I know a lot of you guys like running the stuff that I do, and I wanted to give you guys that opportunity, so thank you guys so much. All right guys, as you can tell, it is dark out here. Ooh, Tahoe looking good. The only light that's out here is the porch lights, a little bit of moonlight, and the sun is just past the mountains, so it's just now getting dark. Let's check this out. So I don't know how accurate this will be, because right there, you can see my finger, right there is a light, but I have big hopes for these lights. Here we go. Whoa. You guys, this lights up so far. So right now I'm on an uphill slope, and it's lighting all the way up to the end of the cul-de-sac here. So I'm gonna go do some driving real quick. I'm gonna get you guys mounted to the dash. We'll get some footage. All right, you guys, these headlights are absolutely amazing. I'm out here driving, there's no city lights, no anything, and I'm illuminating the road so well. It looks like daytime, it's so bright. They have a very wide throw, and that's super nice to have, because if you drive out, dark back roads a lot out in the country, deer are an issue, and I feel 100% confident in these headlights that I will be able to see a deer if it's coming. You know what, you guys, for the price of these headlights, you will not get a better product. These are awesome. I mean, seriously awesome. The coupon is only good until the 31st, so if you want that extra 20% off of the already low price, use it, you guys. Seriously, if you're on the fence about getting LED headlights, I hope I can steer you guys into getting them, because they make a world of difference. All right, you guys, fully illuminated intersection. You can see, if you look at the ground, you can see the white illumination here. I'll change it to brights. You can still see very much that is the LED headlights. This is so impressive, you guys. These headlights are absolutely awesome. All right, you guys, I figured I'd finish the video in front of the nice bright headlights. The last video was a little bit too dark for me, so I apologize for that. So guys, thank you so much for watching. The last video absolutely blew up, and I really cannot thank you guys enough. This channel is going to do great things, and I owe it all to you guys. So thank you so much. I know a lot of you guys ask me all the time, where did I get these parts? And I try to link you guys as best I can, but I want to let you all know, and if you guys see this comment, you can comment back for me. I like that you guys interact with each other in the community. That's pretty exciting. Down below in the description will be part links and everything for what I bought. It'll be the description of it and then the link to it. You just click on that link and it'll take you right to the part that I bought. The headlights are on there, the grill is on there, the exhaust tip, all that fun stuff is on there. So again, if you want any of the products that I have that are on my truck, down in the description below will be a link. So these headlights are absolutely awesome. I know I've said it about 100 times, but I really do want to say, guys, if you are looking to upgrade the look of your truck or you want better headlights, go with LEDs. They're nice and bright, clear. They just look clean. I'm probably blowing out the camera right now. They just look really good. I mean, they're not that yellow tint. They're very bright and white, crystal clear, and it really does update the truck, make it look even newer than it is. So thank you guys all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, comment if you're new. I really do hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next videos. I got some fun stuff coming up, and oh yeah, I got to discuss the giveaway. So I am going to give away those taillights. It was very commonly asked for in the last video. So if you want to enter to win those taillights, again, it'll be the same one as the last one because I don't have t-shirts or merch or anything. Just in the comments below, hashtag PowerStokeNation, and tell me what you drive. I want to give it to somebody that has an F250 or an F350 because I want it to go to somebody that will be able to put it on their truck. So give me a description of your truck, hashtag PowerStokeNation, and you will be entered automatically to win those taillights. And I'll give them away next week. You have my honor. Next week, those taillights will be given away. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.